My most vivid memory of my story is that I found myself in Don Driemeyer's office, and my transcript wasn't admirable, but Don looked at it, picked up the phone, made a couple of calls, put the phone down and said, "Well, you're in, now it's up to you to stay in." And that turned out to be one of the great days of my life. That got me into UMSL, and that got me on a path that I said to some friends just the other day, I don't know that I ever had a plan for my life, but if I did, I'm glad it didn't come true, because what's happened to me has been so much better than anything I might have planned when I was 21, 22 years old. What the association hopes to do for the alums is to connect them back to the university, connect them to their fellow alum, and connect them to the current student body. The university graduates are all around the St. Louis community. Now most of our graduates stayed in the community. Some 70,000 out of 100,000 are working every day in the St. Louis region. We're in every school district. We're in every healthcare facility. We're in all levels of local and state government. We're everywhere. We're in business, we're in industry. We have accountants, we have business leaders, we have entrepreneur business owners. We're everywhere. And if we can help connect each other as all of us make a progress through our career and our life, then the Alumni Association's in a great spot to do that. I think my number one objective during my year term as president will be to help prepare the association for the next couple of presidents and whatever they might want to accomplish. And in that way, we can make sure that it's a continuum of progress rather than just blocks of somebody's interest. I think we need to have a steady stream toward a long-term objective and help the chancellor achieve all the things that she wants to do for the university. What would be my favorite part about being a part of the board is the people. Both leadership, faculty, staff of the university, the other members of the alumni board, the members of all the affinity organizations that get together out of their particular interests, the students. It brings me to the campus to interact with people, to see all the things that are doing, from the support staff and the ground. Look at this beautiful place. And there's people here who care about the university, who make sure that this is really well taken care of. And those people, all of those people doing their part to help the university help other people do the things that they have the potential to do. The leadership of the university, I think the chancellor and her staff and the faculty all have a pressing desire to make their academic programs and their student life programs full and vigorous and world-class. And that's pretty exciting to know that you're part of something like that.